Take one step, Genesis.
I'm recording it.
Hennessy, baby.
Put in the mouth of the cable.
You said Edison?
I said Hennessy.
Hennessy. Hey, baby.
Genesis, you already did 2 jars.
Go ahead, keep going.
Come on, go ahead, Jenny. I'm not doing this.
Another step.
Jenny, take another step, Jenny. I'm not doing this. I'm getting down.
Look, somebody hold it.
I'm getting down.
Hold on. Go ahead, do it. Keep going a little bit. If you stay right there, you're gonna hurt yourself. You gotta move this way a little bit.
Oh, he's threatening you.
No, you're gonna hit yourself.
I keep listening.
And you let go of the tree. And keep walking.
He's threatening you. Put both hands on your roll.
Walk sideways like that.
Or the...
No, keep going.
You're too close to the tree. You have to walk a little bit more. While I'm getting down.
No. Walk to right there.
Take 2 more steps,
Yeah,
Jenny.
do it. They're gonna hold you. They're not gonna let you drop.
My God, I'm here too.
Do it quick. Just try to run.
Where is it?
Run and jump.
Ooh, you could also sit on it and just squat. Just squat. Lay on the log and put yourself. That's what I used to do. That will work.
You can do this. Just a couple steps.
Lay down on it. She really
And you're not gonna fall.
her legs are she's shaking.
Camera boy, yeah.
And she's shaking.
Move a little bit that way for the 2 more hits. They don't put it down.
Hurry up.
Come on now.
Move a little bit.
Just a little bit, Jenny. Hey, Genesis, if you're going to get down there, you need to climb back down to the table. All right. I need some rope.
Just jump down.
She can't because then she'll hit the tree.
So run and jump.
Yeah, do that. That's what I'm saying.
Go ahead.
Yeah, do that. That's what I'm
Walk
saying.
like that with your hands.
Oh, my God. This is the most generous thing I've ever seen. I know, right? And that's the way she feels comfortable. So.
Take a picture then.
See if you have a helmet.
I can't. I'm recording it.
Make sure you're like at least I'm like 10 feet back. Just because. You'd be surprised.
Look at the teacher. Smile for the camera.
Say hi, Jenny.
Look, you gotta catch them to here to jump off. Look.
Oh my God.
The one and only
Nice.
Valerie is her birthday.
There's no way I can drop you.
Still.
You'll be guilty every year.
So right there.
What?
I need some.
Is that enough? Genesis, I think it's better if you lay on the log and then pull.
Alright, so I need some more extra rope.
No. We can't give you extra rope. We can only give you just enough rope so that you're not you know what I mean? Because if we give you a bunch of rope, then you're gonna if you do slip off, you'll spin around and bounce and.
That'll be fun.
I know, that would be fun. No.
I'm Chava.
See, that's when we end up playing and we gotta clean you up.
Doing a video?
That's not fun.
Edison, you're doing a video?
Well, you mean
Yeah.
the bloody kind? Yeah.
The Mr. Nunez, the grizzly bear looking.
Become broken. More meaning you
No,
can't.
Edison's like...
Like you'll get a rope underneath your arms. That's why I ask for folks to take out earrings and stuff like that. If you have a lot of slack when you fall, the rope could
Say what up to your Muslim people. Say what up.
earring
Well, the good thing with my ear is so bad that it just puts me.
See the crazy one in the cool. The ugly one in the cool.
Yo, that's so wrong.
That is so wrong.
Keep moving.
If he puts it on my face, he's gonna be so.
Keep moving.
Can I? No, wait, no. It's on her though. She
No,
could
cause they chill.
Right here.
No, keep.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm at. Look.
Oh, you're so
Drop. Come on, Jenny. Drop.
I'm caught. So I can't move.
Just drop.
Just drop yourself. I'm caught.
Just drop yourself.
It's ahead of you still.
I'm caught.
It's a...
You gotta walk a little more. Wait, what are you caught on?
I'm caught on the thing.
So then back up. Wait, so how are you caught? You have a splinter? Or what?
I think she got a splinter.
If you had a... then maybe you don't want to slide your butt along like that anymore.
Maybe you want to jump off? Just
We-
throw
we
yourself
can help
full.
you, but you have to come down.
Put your left leg over the log and come
Go
down.
ahead. Go ahead.
Get off.
Lean to the side. Sit down with your leg, with your right leg. Towards thing valley. And jump back.
You need to go that way.
Backwards. Go backwards.
Throw yourself
Lean
back.
backwards.
Lean back.
Pull up on her. Pull flat. Sorry. Nice.
Oh my God, Genesis.
Yay, Genesis.
Jenny.
Oh my God, you're
No, I'm not.
Edison has a video.
You don't
for
wanna
to
go?
keep forever.
Someone go.
Yeah, I'm going.
Watch it.
I'll go. I wanna go.
Somebody's gotta give her a helmet.
I wanna go.
I'm gonna take your helmet since you're going.
Yeah.
So you could just leave your helmet. I'm gonna take Genesis since she's done.
You wanna go now or?
You wanna go? Alright, I'll let her go.
Okay.
Look at me. Give me a slug, Genesis. Give me some.
Don't be. It's not even. It's not scary at all.
Scared.
Is it scary?
Bye-bye.